Good morning. This is my first how-to video ever, so bear with me if it goes wrong. I'm going to try and teach you how to make a sort of card that expands to reveal what creatures have eaten. And the ones that I've made are this seagull that's been eating some crabs, this Scotty dog that's eaten a poor squirrel, this yellow rabbit that's eaten a big stick of sprouts. Now how they work is that they're folded so that the animal looks perfectly normal like that, but then you extend it and it reveals what it's eaten. In this case, some peas. So all you need for this is some pencils, some felt tips and a piece of normal printing paper, A4 paper. You fold it in half like that, and then you fold one half back on itself like that. So then you've got that bit. Now you can draw whatever you want. Today I'm going to draw a monster, so I'm going to start here, and it's got blobby bits coming off its head. It's got big hungry eyes, and it's got very sharp teeth. It's quite happy. Now we're going to bring it down here, and I'm going to give it some little feet to stand on, tiny feet, its big fat body. Right, so there's my monster. And now I want to know what it's been eating. To do that, I'm going to join this line with that line so it becomes a longer monster. So there we are, like that. And I think this monster is going to have eaten some worms. And I'm going to do some poor little sad worms in his tummy. I could draw many worms, but just to keep it quick, I'm just going to do a couple. Crossed over there. Oh, poor little worms. And then you can spend your time colouring it in. I'm just going to colour in the worms now. And they're going to be nice and pink. So you could do people that have eaten things, you can do animals that have eaten things, you can do monsters or aliens that have eaten things. It's really up to you. But there you are, a little monster. What's eaten? Worms.